In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved searches on Twitter. Whether you still call it Twitter or you've switched to saying X, the process is the same. Saved searches can be handy for topics you check often, but over time they can pile up or become irrelevant. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to remove those saved searches so your search experience feels cleaner and more up to date. First, open your browser and go to the X Home dashboard. This is the main page you land on after signing in, where you see your home timeline with posts from people you follow. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile, because saved searches are tied to each individual account. Once you're on the home dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options, such as Home, Explore, Notifications, and so on. Click on Explore. This section is where you can discover trending topics, suggested content, and importantly for us, access the main search field. After you've opened the Explore page, move to the top of the screen and click into the search field. This is the bar where you would normally type any keyword, hashtag, or account you want to look up. As soon as you click inside this field, a drop-down list should appear below it. In that drop-down, you'll see your recent or saved searches. Saved searches usually appear with a small icon or marker to show that they've been stored for quick access. Take a moment to scan through the list and identify the search you no longer need. When you found a saved search you want to remove, look for a small X icon next to it. This X is what you'll use to delete that particular saved search. Carefully click on the X beside the search you want to get rid of. As soon as you do this, that search will disappear from the list. If you have multiple saved searches you'd like to clear out, simply repeat that same action. Click into the search field, find each saved search you no longer want, and click the X next to each one. There's no need to refresh the page. The list updates instantly as you remove items. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly tidy up your saved searches on Twitter, keeping only the topics and keywords that are still useful to you.